Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential product for all pet owners, the Rubyloo Dog First Aid Kit and Funny Vet Wrap 12-pack bandage bundle. We found this great kit online, and you can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Rubyloo Dog First Aid Kit? This vet-approved first aid kit is tailored specifically for your furry friends, whether they're dogs or cats. It's packed with pet-safe medical supplies that make it perfect for emergencies at home, in your car, or during outdoor adventures. With this kit, you can feel confident that you're prepared to provide fast and effective emergency care. Now, let's highlight some of the most important features of this first aid kit. First off, the kit comes in a water-resistant, hard-sided case that keeps all the supplies secure. This makes it ideal for travel, whether you're hiking, camping, or just taking a road trip in your RV. You can easily stash it in your backpack or car without worrying about the elements damaging the contents. One standout feature is the step-by-step pet first aid guide included in the kit. This easy-to-follow manual is vet-reviewed and covers how to treat various issues like wounds, bites, and other emergencies. It's a lifesaver when you're feeling panicked and unsure of what to do. Next up, let's talk about the vet wraps. These self-adhesive vet tapes are designed to stick to themselves, not your pet's fur or skin. This means you can remove them cleanly without causing any discomfort to your dog or cat. Plus, the 12-pack of bandages comes with funny sayings like bad dog, drama queen, and not the cone, which adds a bit of humor to what can often be a stressful situation. This first aid kit is perfect for a wide range of pet owners, from busy families to outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you have a playful pup who tends to get into trouble or a curious cat who loves to explore, having this kit on hand ensures you're ready for any unexpected moments. In practical use cases, think about how handy this kit can be during a hike when your dog gets a minor scrape or during a camping trip when your cat might get into a tussle with a thorny bush. It's also great for keeping at home, just in case of any accidents. Lastly, the Rubyloo Dog First Aid Kit is made from pet-safe and non-toxic materials, which makes it trusted by pet sitters, trainers, and groomers. As a woman-owned small business in the US, Rubyloo emphasizes quality and customer service, ensuring that both you and your pup are completely satisfied. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.